guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. So for today's video I'm gonna do first impression and my thoughts about Matte Plus Poreless foundation, this foundation, and this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Setting Compact, and this Rebel Beauty lashes, and this glue, and this, basically these three things. I'm gonna give you demo, my first impression and my thoughts about all these products, and I'm gonna use this concealer as well, but I'm not gonna give you this concealer review. I have already did. So yeah guys, if you guys want to know more about this foundation, is it good, is it bad, or whatever, my thoughts I'm gonna give you. So for that, if you guys want to know, then please keep on watching. Now let's get to the video. Guys, I have applied moisturizer, primer, and I did my eyebrows off camera because it's not a makeup tutorial, so that's why, and I'm ready to wear foundation. Yes, this is the foundation, and I'm in the shade 130 buff beige, and it's a matte plus poreless, normal to oily skin, and I do have pores, and let's see how it's gonna work or not, or whatever. Wow, it's a bottle. I didn't like the packaging, guys, to be honest. I like this pump dispenser. I hope I can match with this foundation because I don't know. I have ordered online, so let's. Oof. Ooh. Oh, okay. I think I can match this foundation. I'm gonna do half side with beauty blender and half side with brush, and we are gonna see the coverage and everything. So, okay. I think the coverage is medium. I'm quite happy with this foundation shade, and it blends so easily. I'm gonna put more foundation, and let's see we can build up this foundation or not. So let me use this foundation. Oh my god, packaging, this is so bad. Packaging, oh my god. Mattifying and refined pores, matches undertone, okay. Natural seamless finish. Okay guys, it's a medium coverage, but you can build up this foundation. Look at this, it doesn't even look cakey right now. I think it's a good foundation for oily skin. Now let's do the other side with this brush. So with brush as well, it's a medium coverage. And guys, why to blend this foundation with brush, I don't know, because of this acne or whatever, but it does separate it here in this area with this brush. Let me see, okay, build this or not with brush. So guys, it blends so easily. Oh my god, it looks so cakey. It blends so well, but I like the sponge blending because it didn't separate it this side, but this side with this brush, it looks a little bit separated, and yeah, a little bit separated on this area. I don't know you guys are seeing this or not, but definitely I'm gonna zoom you. It is separated here with this brush, and this side looks good. Yes, the foundation is done, guys. So now I'm gonna use this Maybelline Age Rewind Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in the shade 120 Light Pale. This is not the first impression because I have already used this concealer so many times, and this is my favorite concealer, but I'm gonna show you, that's it. Look at this concealer, so cute. Oh yeah, it's coming now. let's blend this. And the coverage is so good of this concealer. Whoa, look at this coverage. Oh my god, the coverage is everything. And if you are looking for the affordable coverage good concealer, then pick this one. You won't regret, guys. And let's see how this Maybelline Fit Me compact gonna works for my skin. Okay, I'm in the shade 120. Oh, it has this waffle, and yeah, it has a mirror, and this is compact, and this is the, so I never use this, guys. So yeah, and it looks like this. The packaging says sponge and mirror inside. Okay, natural poreless looking finish, up to 12-hour wear. Oh my god, long lasting, shine control. Okay, let's see. I think I should use with this under my eye to set this concealer. I mean, yeah. Guys, my first impression of this is good compact. Let's use on the face. Okay, and whoa, oh my god, it gives you a little bit coverage as well, not so much, but a little bit only. Okay, but it sets your foundation so quickly, and it looks so nice. Compact sets your foundation and concealer so quickly. I mean, I like about this. And it's a mattifying. Let's see if it controls oil or not. For that, we have to wear this compact for like 5 to 6 hours later. I have oily skin. Let's see how it gonna control my oil or not. I'm gonna update you quickly. I'm gonna do my eye makeup off camera, and I'm gonna come. Yeah, guys, I did my eye and full face off, like a bronzing, highlighter off camera, because it's not a makeup tutorial. So guys, my lips also. I have one more thing to try and give you first impression and review on my thoughts, you know. So these are lashes from Rebel Beauty. If you guys haven't watched my skincare and makeup haul video, then you can go and check that video. I'm gonna put the link in description box below. So this is the lashes, and I have this glue as well, so I want to try this. So for that, I'm gonna curl my lashes and put some mascara, and then we are gonna try this new lashes. You have to be very careful when you just take off these lashes. Just be careful. Yes, look at this. Just be gentle with these lashes. It feels so natural, guys. Look at this. This is so soft. And let me use this glue. I'm so excited to try this new glue. Oh my god, it's so tiny. Oh, it's white. And let's give this glue to get dry. You know about you guys, I feel still very scared when I apply this falsies, because it's very challenging game. Yeah guys, these lashes look so pretty. Let me give you my final thoughts about these all products. So this matte poreless foundation is, if you blend this foundation with this beauty sponge or blender, you will find the very smoother and you know, not cracking and not creasing foundation. But I don't like to blend this foundation with brush, because it does like separated and creasing. So that's all. But the foundation is a medium coverage. You can wear this foundation in like daily basis. So this is like you can build up this foundation so easily. It blends so smoothly. Looks pretty good now, but I don't know how it gonna look after a few hours. This compact is good, by the way. It sets your makeup so easily. I mean, let's talk about the shine control. For the shine control, I don't know yet, but I will definitely show you my full face makeup at 6. It's now 2. Then I'm gonna tell you if it really controls my sign oil or not, okay? And for the lashes and this glue, I will definitely recommend this glue because the glue is so good. If you are a beginner, it's transparent, so I just love the glue, guys. Okay, and the lashes is my favorite place to shop lashes is this Rebel Beauty, so you don't even need to talk about these lashes. So that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful and enjoy this video as much as I do. I have enjoyed all of it because I'm playing with new products, so it's fun for me. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and I'm gonna show you 6 at 6 my full face of makeup. Now it's 2, it means 4 hours later. So yeah, guys, it's like almost 7. I'm sorry I forgot. At 6 o'clock I was outside. I'm gonna show you and tell you about the foundation compact. That's it. And let's see, I have removed my falsies, guys. Haven't even touched up anything. It looks good and it doesn't even feel that much of a shiny face. I think the compact does his or she's job. I think I'm definitely gonna use this foundation more and this compact as well. I have just only one suggestion for you. If you use this foundation, just blend with a beauty sponge or beauty blender. With brush, I think not good, but with beauty blender, it's awesome. So I think it's a yes. So thank you so much, guys, for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Bye.